it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the new 2023 wave of Bluey plush. So this is the first wave of new Bluey plush that are already in stores. You can find these in Target. Now, even on Amazon, you could check my description below for links for that. The Amazon ones are affiliate links, so just keep that in mind. But I just wanted to give you guys a closer look of each of these plush. They're so stinking cute. I do want to acknowledge that in another video, I will be sharing the Bandit and Chili Healer plush that Moose had sent me. I had purchased these, but Moose did send me a whole collection of new toys that I'm going to share with you guys in a future video. But first, let's take a look at the ones that I purchased, even though they're exactly the same. Just have to mention this. So here is Bandit Healer. This is Bluey and Bingo's dad. He is a blue healer pup. He is adorable. And he is one of the first plushies in this range that you're going to see in this size. He's about 8.5 inches. They're like, the range is about 6 inches, but these are a little bit larger than the main ones that you've probably seen in the past, like the little mini plush. So they did come out with larger versions of these, and I have shared them on our channels before. And they were bigger. They didn't last long. They were sold mainly at Walmart. So when I did share them, they were only $25 for the pair. And I scooped them up and then they were gone. That was it. So if you were lucky to get them, then you have larger versions of Chili and Bandit. So here is Chili. Everything's embroidered. Moose Toys really doesn't spare any expense when it comes to their plush. They really do a great job. And I love all of these details that you see here that are on Bandit. I love Bandit. He's really just the best dad. Then we have Chili, who's also the best mom. Again, more embroidered details here. There's no stone unturned. All of their features are here, even just the little freckles in the back, the little spots. I just love these plush so much. So if you have a little one who's a fan of Bluey, you definitely got to grab Chili and Bandit. Moving on, here is Bob Bilby. You might remember Bob Bilby from the episode Bob Bilby. Now, little Bingo brought Bob Bilby home from preschool, and she had to show him a good time. But Chili noticed that Bingo and Bluey were just on their screens for too long, and she took a photo of it and she showed them, and poor Bob just didn't have such a great weekend. But then something changed. They found an old school Polaroid camera and they took Bob Bilby around town on the bicycles. They just had a blast. So this is a great way for kids to recreate scenes from that episode. Maybe take Bob Bilby on more episodes. Parents could also facilitate maybe just a no screen weekend, like totally screen free. Bring Bob Bilby around town and see what adventures you can muster up using your old school cameras. Now, I'm not saying to dig out your old like Brownie camera, but if you have like maybe an old Polaroid or even one of those new Fujifilm cameras, you can make a really fun weekend out of it, doing some really cool pictures with Bob Bilby. Maybe even if you tag Bluey on social media, maybe they'll share it. Who knows? Definitely tag Moose Toys too, because that's who makes these. The next is Chatter Max. Now, Chatter Max doesn't say anything. Are we going to get a new Chatter Max? Are we going to get one? Are we going to get a Chatter Max that just goes completely bonkers, just like in the show? I don't know. Maybe Moose has something up their sleeve, because we have little Chatter Max plush. So cute. Let's just remove the tag. And here is Chatter Max, adorable little owl. This is actually Bluey's toy. And this toy goes absolutely crazy. It's like Furby, just 2.0. It's crazy how wild this toy is. Just sings, and it really is just the epitome of every child's toy. That's why I find it so hilarious. But we have Chatter Max. Again, beautiful detailing. I love the embroidered stitching. It's such a great plush, and it's really high quality and just so much fun to hold. Well, that's it for the new wave of Bluey plush. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. I truly love Bandit and I love Chili. I love Bob Bilby, but Chatter Max has my heart on this one. I can't wait to hear that new album that's coming out by Bluey's production company, We Play Ludo. They have a new album out called Dance Mode. So I'm really excited for that. Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great day.